just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this RC is. All the way from the graphics on the body to the interior, Taylor RC is amazing. Go to his website. You can order any of these parts. This is his chassis here, 7075. I got it double dipped. If you don't know what that is, you're looking at it. That is anodization. And this engine is so beastly. So much power coming out of this thing. Go check them out. Taylor RC. This is the 50 GT. Double splash. He will get it done to your specs. It is just absolutely mind-blowing what Taylor RC can produce. His engines are the best. His parts are the best. I mean, this is the pinnacle of RC, guys.